This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The battery is located under a cover at the rear of the engine compartment. Pull up the rubber weather strip, release the clip at the front edge and remove the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut and using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Undo the bolts and remove the battery retaining clamp. Disconnect the vent hose, then lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Remove any dirt or debris from the battery tray. Locate the battery in the tray with the positive terminal at the front. Then reconnect the vent hose. Refit the battery clamp and securely tighten the retaining bolts. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down over the battery positive terminal and tighten the clamp nut securely. Firmly press the negative lead clamp down into place over the battery terminal and tighten the battery clamp nut securely. Smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery terminals. Refit the battery cover and press down the rubber weather strip. After the battery has been reconnected, it may be necessary for the vehicle body control ECM to relearn the window reference points. Close the door, raise the window, and hold the button in the up position for at least 5 seconds. The procedure is now complete. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it securely locked.